patiently.
Take off?
Snowing's right there.
Oh. Hey, little guy. That good stuff? You want more? I'm not going to give you the whole sandwich. I've been waiting for it.
Here come neighbors.
Oh, next thing you know, it'll be like the movie The Birds. Or...
Oh, no. I know down at Big 4, there are tons of blue jays everywhere, and you're just sitting there trying to eat, and they just maul you. Oh, wow.
Let me see if I can get the angle. Yeah. Yeah, I modified my pole here to...
Smaller than that. I've never
That's
really
an older one, too.
Really?
The new ones are even probably a third that size.
They just flatter, or?
But, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, this is your last bite here. You better chew a little bit.
Great.
No, that's pretty cool. Oh, I was hoping I'd get the mountains in there. I'll have to do it over here, guys. Where the sun doesn't blow it out. Okay, who wants it?
You mind if I take a photo of you doing that?
No.
I don't want to infringe anybody's copyrights or anything.
Oh, no. Who wants it?
There it comes.
Mine don't matter.
I was moving too much.
A little more
Mine doesn't
squeamish.
matter, you don't want to go.
He's like, if you're not going to take it, I will.
Yay! They're going to eat more of my sandwich than I am.
I know.
Who's bravest?
Me, what do you got?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, well, scaring.
You see that?
Yeah, you doing it again?
Well, I'd kind of like to have some of my sandwich.
I don't care. Do it.
Huh? Word's spreading real fast among this crew. You gotta come up and get it.
Nice, I got a couple pictures.
Cool.
Couldn't ask for a better backdrop for this photo.
Yeah.
Now I want to
Hopefully it turns out.
fall over.